bottom line is, we know our customers are going to want that from us. We have to move in that direction, and not only our market share, but the interest that we're getting from our customers is proving that out.
Yeah, I want to ask you about virtualization. It's certainly a hot topic, and there's questions on the desktop what the next move is. You heard an exciting announcement on the AppStream acquisition. We've been working on that one for a long time. It's very nice to have that part now of the semantic portfolio, and Vinky and his team and part of it. We're going to have a lot of fun with that, and I think that's a market that's really taking off. So what's HP's view on things like CCI, for example, and virtualization of the client?
Well, we have 4 approaches to the solution. It's not just Blade PCs, consolidated client infrastructure, if you will, which are Blade PCs. Thin clients are one, which I just spoke to. Also, high-performance workstations and being able to share applications remotely without having a workstation in every single engineer's desk, software developers. I know we've got many of those out here in the audience this morning. Being able to share those applications remotely with the same type of power and experience. And then obviously, we've got a lot of IT administrators in here that work in the glass house or the server end of things. The consolidation of servers with various software tools that we work with you folks on. So, it's a 4-pillar strategy. We think we're covering most aspects of a customer's need, and we're looking to grow more into those portfolios.
And over time, the expectation is not necessarily a single one of those will emerge as a leader.
Exactly.
It's probably going to be a combination.
It's about choice, and not every one of these types of solutions may work in every particular customer environment. That's why we're moving in different directions to provide the most choice.
So that's going to be a nice feature. And again, that's the one thing that HP has always been on the cutting edge of new technologies coming out. I still think that HP invent, right? I mean, and I guess it gets underscored when I go to a place like your campus in Houston and see all the cool things that you guys are working with.
Absolutely. We're very, very proud of the fact that we still own our own product design. Yeah. Cradle to grave. I mean, we have engineers that build it out and obviously ultimately put it in production, but we're doing that ourselves. We don't outsource any of that stuff.
And the systems management story, the idea of reducing the cost and complexity outside of just the acquisition of the asset, all the stuff that Altiris does alongside of HP, that relationship continues to be strong in the PSG.
Well, we've got the longest standing partnership, right?
And you came from Compaq before.
I did, absolutely. So I was here at the inception. They've done great things along with the sales teams for the last 8 or 9 years. And we continue to grow that. In fact, I think we're going to be making some announcements here in the next couple of sessions, some of the breakout sessions, on some things that jointly we're working towards to enhance that experience.
Well, thank you for being a sponsor of ManageFusion. It's always good to see you from HP. Are you going to be dancing tonight at the big dance contest? I understand you've done some professional dancing.
I have not quite done the professional dancing. I've been in the dating game. That counts.
How'd that
Last
work
time
out?
I saw a red light pointed at my head.
Really? So you were actually...
But I won, too.
Really?